Today, I'm going to teach you one of the most iconic Ukrainian dance tricks called Bedvinsky. You have probably seen it in Hopak. This is a circular jumping trick where you need to create the illusion that you are floating in the air every time you jump. To learn this trick, you will need a bar or another type of support. Are you ready to start? Step 1. Stand close to the bar and prepare to step on your left leg. Step onto your left leg in the air and make a small jump forward, facing the bar. Your right leg goes up first, and then the left leg follows it. Now repeat the same from the other side. Step 2. Do the same movement but gradually lower your body until it becomes almost parallel to the floor. Step 3. Now try the same move without the bar, but imagine that you are still holding it. Start with small jumps. Step 4. Be patient. With practice and time, you will be able to go lower and lower until you feel confident. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you next time.